A wà ní agbègbè Òdòmọ́lá nílùú Ẹ̀pẹ́ báyìí ní agbègbè Aláyélúwà Ọba Adébọ̀wálé Ọmọlá of Òdòmọ́lá. Anika tuwa àti dùn ènìyàn kan nínú ẹ jẹ́ ká wo mọ́mì tí wọ́n ń ta nǹkan níbí náà tá a bá lè bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo mọ́mì. Ẹ kú ọrọ̀ ajé mà o. A kú ọdún mà. Yes ma. Ṣàlè mí tí yín mà. Ma? Okay. Ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́ mà. A kú ọdún, a kú ìyèdún mà. Yes ma. A ń rí bá ṣe ń lọ wípé ẹ ń ta nǹkan ní èní ọjọ́ ọdún. A wá wò wípé ó yẹ kẹ́ wà nínú ilé káwa ṣe pọ̀pọ̀ ṣinṣin ọdún.
Well, share mind, I can mix it. Mo share hotels, several hotels tẹ́lẹ̀. And usually peak period lọ́jọ́ ọdún.
Okay.
You understand? Like now, this is more of a Muslim area. Predominantly, okay. You have more of a Muslim, and Oníṣẹ̀ṣe and all of that. It's not everybody that is going to. Right now, the cost of chicken is 20,000, 25,000. What are you talking about? So at least I started selling as early as 9 thereabouts. You know, because.
You mean 9 a.m.?
Yes, this morning.
Okay.
Usually my food are ready like 7 a.m. But today I was like, oh, let me do a few things. I'm not sure if people will buy. But my mind was like, from experience, peak period, Christmas period, any festive period, the hotels line, I mean, you get to sell more. I had to do the cake as well. I had to, you know. So I was like, okay, let me keep that. Then people kept coming to buy. The chickens are too expensive. I saw something on Facebook, chicken carrying guns that nobody is killing them. At 20,000, you know. Look at that. Those chickens are still there. Nobody is buying.
Wow.
The things are too expensive. Even from the poultry. Somebody showed me a chicken. She said, 35,000. No, she said 30. I said, can you reduce so that I can add something to sell it? She was like, no. Feed, a bag of feed is 28,000 naira. How would the farmers balance up? As of yesterday, I supplied somebody chicken. She bought just one, 20,000. Wow. So how many people will be able to afford that? With the little children, with the economy of the situation, I started selling fried rice and jollof rice because I'm a caterer, hoping that I'll get catering jobs. But when the children will come and FEC, money láti máa fi àsáró sí, so that one round kotole you, I feel sorry for them. But would they be? I mean, I'm always feeling sorry for them. What? I keep adding FEC. At the end of the account is not balancing.
You are going to add FEC for me. Even if I'm not buying it, I'm going to eat. They are going to give me free of charge now because. My
sister.
You know me ti fala. So me ni mind. They will cook me fried rice. What I jollof, let's say.
Okay.
Tell me no ma.
It's all right.
Oh
but,
yeah.
But truth be told, peak period. Everybody call them madam.
Me a jẹ o. Me mind o. Thank you ma. Kí n tiẹ̀ tọ́ oúnjẹ yín wò. Ẹ jọ sí kí n pẹ́ expect pé máa sanwó ná. Ẹ wait o ká dúró. Ẹ jẹ́ àdúró. My Christmas gift.
Yeah, Christmas is about sharing love now, so it's my pleasure. It's okay.
Wonderful, wonderful. I love this. Any sùúrù kí n tẹ̀ tó jọ oúnjẹ yín náà, any sùúrù kí n tó jọ oúnjẹ yín, má worry. Because mo rí pé tinútinú lẹ fẹ́ fi fún mi lóúnjẹ. You are happy.
Oh, why not?
Wow, I love this. I love this. All right.
Even today, the food I've sold, I've had to.
Fisi. Anyway, she follow. She follow a co-hot blog, Lori Facebook.
This is another beautiful sister of mine. She has a beer parlor too. It's peak period. She sells. She sells to them, but she needs to now.
Wow.
You have to sell on people. It's festive period. People want to relax. Okay. They want to eat and all that. So.
That's good. All right. Tó bá ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀. She follow her Lori Facebook.
A co-hot blog. Yes.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò. Let me quickly confirm it. So ya phone yín dà. Mo rò pé àjọ mo dání nsìn. Èmi náà rí pé mo dání nsìn. Ṣé ti rí?
I don't think I need that. Boy, my worry.
I promise láti fọ́. Ní data báwo tẹ fi ń wà lórí kíní tẹ̀ ń wo kíní lọ́wọ́.
Seriously, me need data. I was on it. Tell her what you told me. That's the last thing. Seriously, no.
Ẹ try láti ra data kẹ́dẹ̀ follow wa lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀. Okay, láti lè ṣe wa ìkó hot blog. Àwọn náà ní ká wá ṣọdún pẹ̀lú wa. Inú wa dẹ̀ dùn wípé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yìí. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ilé iṣẹ́ wa ní Shell account.
Yes.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ gbowó sí.
Of course.
Ó dẹ̀ máa dún. Bó ló ti máa dún. Lára yín àbí nínú fóònù yín? Nínú fóònù wo ló ti máa dún?
This is my phone.
This is your phone.
Yes.
Ẹ fún mi l'account number yín.
Opay.
81
81
81 62
32.
32.
Oladipo Onipede.
Okay. Láti iléeṣẹ́ wa Èkó Hot Blog. Wọ́n ní ká fún yín ní adìyẹ yìí kẹ́ fi ṣọdún.
Thank you, Blog. See my sister, come now, come and celebrate. That's my younger sister, our last girl.
Thank you. Continue to go higher.
Amen. Oh, thank you so much. This is so sweet. Oladipo Onipede. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this because I know what it's worth. I just supplied somebody one yesterday. So this is what, yes, now like this. So this is like 20, between 20 25, seriously.
Wow.
But I go to the poultry. We have a lot of poultry in Ekpe, Araga, and the like. So, but I buy directly from the poultry, so I know the words. God bless you, real good. Okay, Mama, Lord, Jesus.